Hi, I'm Mark Mateya from Mateya Law Firm here in Carlisle, PA, and I've been retelling my own story, going back and reliving a little bit what my brothers and I have been through, helping my mom, who is today in nursing care. And going back and looking at that, I recall when we were at the spot where we had to take the next steps, and we called them our baby steps. And those steps for you and for us, they might be more than financial. There might be some other things. Like for us, we had to decide, where's mom going to be? Where's she going to reside? Dad had passed away 20 years earlier, and we had to make sure that we were making good decisions. Um, Mom had a visit from a nurse at her home, and I was there with her. It was from a long-term care company, a provider in the area. And the nurse is asking questions, and they're the same ones that you were embarrassed that were being asked about you when you were too little to be there by yourself and your mom was with you, and now the shoe's on the other foot. So we got through that. It actually was not bad because the nurse was very professional. She was not dressed in the white, starch white uniform that says I'm here to take you away. She was very gracious, very friendly, and my experience has been with most professionals working with seniors. That's the case, and she was very nice. Nearly a 2-hour visit, and she asked questions. Mom answered her questions the very best she could. And I remember Mom saying, I'm not committing to anything tonight. And the nurse was quick to respond, no, no, of course not. We wouldn't expect you to. She was very pleasant. Mom was pleasant with her. The nurse complimented her about her house. She said it's immaculate. And we used to joke and say Dust had decided just to go to some other house because it never resided in my mom's house. So she continued to take care of things. The issue that night, and this is the reason I'm making this blog, is we could see, and I think Mom could see, she had to make a change because she was not able to take care of things, including herself, the way she did when she was younger. But for this visit, this was one of the early visits, we had to make sure Mom was in control. Mom was the one who was calling the shots that night. I was there to help, but she was in charge. And if there's one thing I could say looking back, or one thing to try to pass on to you who are following this, keep that senior involved as much as possible. As much as it's possible to have them in charge, do so. That helped a great deal for us.